Today we'll be talking about cultured beef. In other words, raising beef without the cow. I'm going to start off with a little story about a man named Jeff who slid into the DMs and took this girl out to a restaurant. So, everything was going good, and the waiter finally came up to them. Then, the man had the audacity to offer them cultured beef. Jeff and his honey were like, "What? Cultured beef?" So then, Jeff was like, "I gotta call my boy Manny." And Jeff used his phone from 1999 and called his homeboy to talk about this so-called cultured beef. Manny attempted to explain how the beef was replicated, but eventually, Jeff just came up with a bunch of unanswered questions. We will dedicate the rest of this video on attempting to answer these questions. This cultured meat is also known as synthetic meat. The process is known as cellular agriculture. When producing meat through tissue engineering technology, or in vitro, the process takes place in a test tube, culture dish, or outside a living organism. Muscle and skeletal cells are taken from the animal since these cells can be replicated at an acceptable rate to use to grow cultured meat.
Additionally, with this biotechnology, we can switch out the normal omega-6 fatty acids in the meat with healthier omega-3 fatty acids. This is done for many positive reasons. It can have financial advantages as well as saving the animals and being overall more healthy for people to consume.
Now, if we were to look all over the world, we would see that people eat a lot of beef, and in vast amounts. With cultured beef, more meat can be supplied without having to harm animals in the process, and meet the high demand for beef. Culturing beef occurs without genetic manipulation and would not interfere with the cell's genetic sequences. No foreign DNA would be used, it would just be cells from moo-moos replicating. Cultured meat is a new way DNA replicates the genetics of live meat to humanely create meat in a world that demands it so highly. Happy Moo Moo, happy person. Quote by Brooksta.